If you want to give yourself the best chance of success while running a dropshipping business, you must remain up to date on the latest trends. In the world of running an e-commerce business, there are various changes that occur on a daily basis. And this is something I've found in my own experience of growing a number of e-commerce stores to over 6 figures in profit, which has necessitated constant adjustment over the years. I've had to make a few minor changes to fit what's going on in the market. So be sure to watch the full video from start to finish to avoid missing out on the top 5 dropshipping trends to be aware of in 2023 and beyond. As usual, I will get right into it. So, if you found this video useful, don't forget to press the like button. That means a great deal to me. Thank you very much. Remember to hit the bell icon so that YouTube can alert you when a new video is published. Let's get this video started right now. Okay, so let me move right into one of the first trends I've personally seen throughout the years, not just in 2023, which is that specialty stores may be a better option than regular merchants. If you're not sure what the distinction is, a niche store is one in which you provide a product from a narrow category and brand your whole store around it. When it comes to creating and running a general store, on the other hand, here is where you'll offer items from a range of distinct categories and specializations. And, once again, I've learned that general shops aren't always the greatest choice. This is because shoppers prefer to buy from someone they know will give knowledgeable help and higher quality products. Clients will also be able to tell whether they are buying from an expert if they specialize in a certain product area. To give you an idea of what I'm talking about, imagine you were considering purchasing a smartwatch. Would you rather buy from this retailer, which has obviously structured their whole store around the fact that they exclusively offer smartwatches, as indicated by the many categories? We can also tell by the way their store has been created in general. Everything on their webpage, once again, is about smartwatches. Or would you rather buy the exact same smartwatch that we just looked at from this vendor over here? Who has built their business around offering a wide range of products from a wide range of categories? There is also artwork for sale. And I don't necessarily mean they're losing money. All I'm saying is that when consumers visit these two websites, they're more likely to select the business that appears to have made an effort to focus in a certain product category. So, moving on to the second dropshipping trend to be aware of, you should be prepared to take a variety of payment ways. And when I say payment choices, for those who don't know what I'm talking about, I'm referring to the several options available to the customer when it comes time to pay. And I feel this is a trend since when I first started building Shopify sites, I had just the choice of utilizing PayPal or potentially Shopify payments. Of course, you must continue to utilize these two options, but first log into your Shopify account. Select Settings, and then go down to the Payment section. Then you must make certain that all of these separate possibilities are chosen. Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Maestro are all accepted. Be sure you choose them all. Also, go down and make sure that Shop Pay, as well as Apple Pay and Google Pay, are selected, because Shopify is telling you right there that if you want to enhance your conversion rate, you must pick these two distinct alternatives. So, moving on to the next drop shipping trend that I'm going to mention in this video, which is very obvious in my opinion, purchasers want faster delivery. Maybe 4 or 5 years ago, you could create a store, put items on it, and deliver them to your customers in 25 or 30 days. Amazon Prime, on the other hand, has surged in popularity in recent years. Amazon is growing more and more popular. You must ensure that your consumers receive their orders far faster than 20 or even 15 days. Of course, the best option is to find a Chinese supplier that would send you the items in bulk, so that you can provide 1 to 2 day delivery to clients in your nation. However, if your only goal is to start a dropshipping shop, this is not the option for you. So, finding a dropshipping supplier who can give you with a fair delivery time is certainly the next best alternative. Spocket is one of the new vendors I've identified. Spocket is now a program that you may use to fill all of your automated orders. However, in recent months, they've launched a new area called Marketplace, where you'll be able to browse all of the best-selling items. But here's the odd part: if I go over here and filter it to Spocket suppliers, all of the different goods on this page have 9 to 12 day shipping, which is significantly better than using someone like AliExpress. Because if we hop over here and say we're thinking about selling smartwatches, and I click on the first one in the results right here, as you can see, it'll take my client more than a month to acquire this precise smartwatch from AliExpress. However, if I go back to AutoDS and input smartwatch and then click on search right here, as you can see, all of these different smartwatches are there for me to quickly import to my shop by clicking on this option. Some of them have a 9 to 12 day shipping delay. Shipping periods for some of them range from 6 to 9 days. So, if you want to stay up with the newest trend of providing your customers with really rapid delivery, you can sign up for free with Spocket by following the link in my description down below. So, on to the fourth drop shipping trend that everyone watching this video, or anyone considering about launching an online business in general, should be aware of: mobile commerce. For those who haven't heard the term before, mobile commerce is simply monetary transactions made by cell phone. And, since 2017, a rising proportion of online shoppers have purchased things directly from their mobile phone rather than a laptop or PC, year after year. And the reason this is so crucial for you to know if you're considering of developing a dropshipping or e-commerce website is because it's anticipated that by 2025, we'll have hit an all-time high in terms of consumers buying products online using their mobile phones. Another reason it's critical that you're aware of this right now is that you need to make all of the necessary changes to your website so that it's mobile optimized, which means that when a potential customer visits your website on their mobile device, everything is properly structured and all of the links work properly. Because one of the things I didn't notice when I first started building all of my initial e-commerce websites was the difference between ensuring that the site is built for laptop and mobile phone. So, once again, remember all of this from the start of your trip to ensure that everything is optimized from the start in order to prevent losing any potential sales. Is that correct? The fifth and last trend that I'm going to mention in this video that is pretty relevant in this day and age is the rising cost of living. Many people throughout the world have been affected by the higher cost of living caused by the recession, because salaries are not increasing while the cost of living is rising. As a result, a rising proportion of customers are spending less money while making online purchases. But the reason I say this is a trend you should be aware of is because you'll be able to do certain things on your website to accommodate to the reality that many more people will have objections to spending money on the stuff you're offering. So, first and foremost, you must check that your prices are correct. Overcharging right now may result in a lower income. The second thing you may do is provide additional discounts and deals. One thing I've found when examining hundreds of different Shopify dropshipping companies is that many of them promote the fact that they're having a sale or have cut the price of the things they're selling. They do this immediately on the product page, but many of them also use email marketing, in which they gather email addresses from visitors to their website. Then, in the email, they provide clients a variety of vouchers, discounts, and discount codes. From there, businesses can play on the fact that many people don't want to spend a lot of money, which means they can increase their conversion rate by providing the consumer a discount off the item that they plainly desire. If they weren't, they wouldn't have been on the website in the first place. To give you an example of what I mean, I've just arrived on this website and right away there's this pop-up telling me that I can save 10% off my first purchase. And that this business owner is using this technique. To begin with, as previously indicated, they will be able to obtain my email address and provide me with more discounts and offers. And, number 2, when the cost of living rises, many more individuals will sign up for this, boosting their conversion rate once again. And I've made a video that guides you through all you need to know to set this up for yourself. If you want to see that video, as well as some other suggestions for executing email marketing in general, you can do so by clicking on the link right there. Check it out straight after this one since it has already helped so many others and I'm convinced it will help you as well. Okay, everyone. On the next one, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.